Hey YouTube, this is my first video, yay, and my first bike check. Well, before I started putting up BMX videos, I just thought I'd let you guys know what my bike is first. I should have some BMX videos up either tomorrow or later on today. But let's start off from the top. Got your Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard grips. I don't know if you can see that. Tektro brake lever. On the left side, I have duo handlebars grips that came with the bike, because the other Aaron Ross Odyssey grips, they must have just got twisted too much when I fell, and they just ripped in half. So they're really good, but they wear off extremely fast. Black Label handlebars. I just never measured them because I don't really care. They're just nice. Stock stem. Just some random detangler. King Freak headset. Mirra blend frame. I like it, it's really nice. Black Label forks. Just a random peg that came with the bike. Black Label rim with an unknown hub. Black Label cranks. I think the stickers on this side. They're really nice. Logo pedals that came from an old bike, because the PC pedals that I originally had, the grooves were too thick for my shoes, and I really didn't get a lot of grip. Black Label sprocket, the little emblems actually inside there. I think you could probably see the white a little bit. Got the Mirra blend frame. I think I already said that. Pivotal seat that came with the bike, and pivotal seat post that came with it. Now, Maxxis tires on both tires. That came with the bike, and they're really nice. Just another peg. Black Label rim. Just a unknown hub, and clear brake pads that don't rub off the color on the rim. Really nice. So that is pretty much my bike. I should have some videos up later on, but this is pretty much it for today, I'm pretty sure. So see you guys again. Bye.